grew tired of a day job and I just wanted to play. And I finally, 1980, I guess it was 80, I quit. I said, I'm just going to take the chance that I can survive as a on my own playing. And it was another moment when life kind of tapped me on the shoulder and said, you're on the right path. Whoever you might think is tapping me, I don't, it could be my higher self, my spirit guides, or my imagination. So what happened, 1 week after I quit my job, my day job, I get a call from Michael Shreve. Michael Shreve again. He says, I got called by the Rolling Stones. They want me to record percussion on the new record, and I'd like to know if you would like to play with me, because I don't have any hand drum chops. So I said, yeah. So it was a week after I quit my day job, I got hired to do emotional rescue with
Wow.
yeah. So I just thought, well, this is life telling me, yes, you're on the right path. And I never did do a day job again the rest of my life.